I wanted to ask you कि let's say हम लोग रोज सुबह उठते हैं और काफी दफा ऐसा होता है कि we're just rushing out of the house and we don't technically own our morning owns us. There are days when I wake up earlier और मुझे नमाज पढ़ने का भी टाइम मिल जाता है, मैं snooze भी नहीं करती हूँ, अपनी बिल्ली को भी feed करके निकलती हूँ. Those mornings are the best mornings. They're ritualistic for me. How can you give our audience some examples on how they can own their morning and make it better?
Lovely start to begin with, because जो तुमने बोला, I was just about to say something very similar, that setting an intention for the day actually creates the day to be far more beautiful and more aligned with yourself than just going along with whatever's coming. Although that's also fine. I mean, there's no right or wrong. Everybody has their own sort of way of dealing with, you know, waking up and having the perfect morning. But I think feeling the gratitude to begin with, maybe it's journaling or just thanking yourself for breathing, being alive, and also being present for the day, and then setting that intention to take it forward. Because remember, happiness is a state, right? You can't be happy 24 hours a day or all the minutes of the day. हम पानी की तरह flow करते हैं ना, हमारा जो जिंदगी भी है और
हमारे emotions भी बहते हैं, कभी drown करते हैं हम emotion में, कभी नहीं. Lovely. Exactly. Love the way you put it forward. And then if you have a teenager child, that's even worse, right? Because आपको नहीं पता कि आपका बच्चा कब नाराज है, because रोनाल्डो नहीं जीता, and आप अगर तसल्ली दे भी रहे हैं, आप फिर भी you get carried away with things that move you off kilter, I would say. What would you say, given that you're an expert with teenagers, हम बच्चों को किस तरीके से इस state में optimum तरीके से रख सकते हैं? And they're allowed to be upset, they're allowed to be angry, but how can we bring them back to center?
So, you know, again, a brilliant question to ask, but again, happiness is actually what most of the teenagers are chasing, and hence the substance, and hence the screen time, and hence those friends, and checking out new substances that are out there is actually getting that dopamine, adrenaline rush. It's completely chasing happiness at all the times. And human nature is that you don't like happiness all the time. What you like is being grounded and coming back to the stage
और
of just
happiness आप
being.
enjoy भी उसी वक्त करते हो सना जब आपको गम होता है. गम के बाद happiness की ज़्यादा कदर होती है.
बिल्कुल.
Otherwise, what good is it, right?
Absolutely, absolutely.
So give us some tips for teenagers.
So teenagers specifically function very differently because our brain has a different kind of wiring, and they have extremely different wiring. Their prefrontal cortex is not developed. So we want them to be very logical, and we want them to be rational. Sometimes just stating the obvious also helps. Just saying that, oh, I see you're sad. Oh, it's just, जैसे पुराने ज़माने में अगर आप देखिए कोई मेहमान जा रहा होता है, हम कहते थे अच्छा आप जा रहे हैं, and that was actually like courtesy call, right? आप जा रहे होते थे, देखा मैं तो चला गया, उन्होंने तो पूछा भी नहीं कि हम जा रहे हैं. Technically, they're just stating the obvious. If you just understand, specifically for teenagers, they are practicing autonomy. They are going through a very difficult stage in life because they're learning. Body is changing.
खास तौर पे 12th की age
Yeah, absolutely. And that is when a regulated adult will actually help regulate a child whose prefrontal cortex is not developed. The moment we try to make our child happy, that is where the damage begins.
Oh, really?
All that you have to do is, it's not your job to make them happy.
Of course.
All that you have to do is regulate your nerves. Help yourself so that they are helped, because everything around you is about modeling. Whatever you teach them, कोई माँ बाप अपने बच्चों को गलत चीजें नहीं सिखाते कि जाओ चोरी करके आओ, झूठ बोल के आओ. It's just that what you practice, what you role model, if you regulate it, they'll be regulated.
Absolutely. Nicely put forward. मैं अगर मैं आपसे पूछूं कि you know मैंने अभी recently noticed किया अभी in fact you said it as well कि inflation है, economic conditions are not optimum. You know, in many cases I see people get really attached to the social status, to the amount of money they're making, the kind of labels they have. And in many cases when those don't exist anymore, you feel like what's the point of living and what's the point of this? इस तरह जब लोग dejected feel करते हैं, what would you say about that? How can you come back into center? Tell us some tips.
I think coming back into center is also first realizing what your value systems are.
बिल्कुल.
And what exactly is it that you would want from life. क्योंकि just like Sana was saying, it's chasing labels and chasing happiness and chasing that brief moment of satisfaction. It's like eating a brownie. कि उस वक्त मेरे मुंह में वो जो chocolate का taste आ रहा है और वो जो feeling आ रही है, मैं उसके पीछे भाग रहा हूँ, right? या भाग रही हूँ. So it's that temporary pleasure, right? So I think those labels and those things, those materials are temporary pleasures. And I think,
so let's say, Meher, you're like this really world-class top speaker, and suddenly you're not. You are. You totally are.
Thanks.
You totally are.
I absolutely
right? Like,
am.
let's say you're on a global stage and everything, and suddenly things don't work out right. मैंने एक hypothetical example दिया. इस तरह के केस में अपने आप को किस तरीके से बोलोगी? I think giving practical examples to the audience really helps a lot.
Absolutely. I think मैं तो मेरी जो सबसे ज़्यादा used line है ना कि what's the worst that could happen?
ठीक है.
क्या हो जाएगा?
Fair enough.
ठीक है, I mean, it's happened.
Yeah.
I was invited to a really prestigious space where there were global leaders, and they were online. I had about, I don't know, 400 people watching me speak, and I think for a brief moment, and when I say brief, 15 minute के लिए मुझे याद ही नहीं था कि मुझे बोलना क्या है.
Imagine that.
And I told the woman who was running the show, I said, you know what, I think I'm done in 30 minutes. She said, what? You're here for an hour. And for that moment, I thought I'd die. But
then even with people like you, this can happen, right? So that's such a good example to give.
It happens with everyone. But what's the worst that could happen? नहीं होगा. I think trusting in oneself begins there. कि just have faith. कि whatever I'm doing is the best I can do at that time.
Absolutely.
And that becomes that
conviction.
At that present moment.
Absolutely. Acha, one more thing I wanted to ask you, Sana, was all these girls nowadays want these really expensive lip glosses. I don't have a daughter, but I hear about it. I see young girls going crazy, fighting amongst themselves. Social media wars over here. One of the flavored bloggers is wearing a strawberry lip balm, and they want that strawberry lip balm. What would you say for parents and also for these kids to get that perspective?
Again, goes back to role modeling. Goes back to, you know.
But what if mama loves makeup?
Yeah, and that's
mama
okay.
can afford to buy that makeup.
Exactly. And if mama and parents are choosing to provide that to the child, sure. But again, it is very temporary fulfillment. And sure, if you can afford it and you want to.
explain करें सना ये?
तो बच्चों को explain क्या करना है? ये करना है कि ये आप use नहीं करो मैं कर सकूँ. You have to. It's all about role modeling. You're using it. What makes you, you know? If you look.
Do you have a daughter?
I don't have a daughter. I have 3 boys.
Boys,
so,
okay.
So I get it. It's different, but boys also have their own things.
Of course.
Like, they want specific kind of shoes.
This, that.
And they want,
You have a daughter.
How do you makeup all the time?
Yeah, that's what I was going to ask you. What do you do then?
So it's what Sana was saying. You know, it's a role modeling of everything. It's not just makeup or the clothes or the materials or the shoes and everything. It's about the value system that I'm creating while she's watching me. So yes, I can use it, but I think I'll have to ask mama's permission because it's actually mama's.
Lovely.
Right? And so what is mine and what is it that I can use at my age?